Stop buying Greek dressing. With a few pantry ingredients, you can make a fresh, tangy, herb-packed dressing in a minute that tastes better than most store-bought. Quick question, do you like your dressing extra tangy or slight sweet? I am Dom, and this is how I make my Greek dressing. In a blender, add fresh lemon juice for brightness and freshness. Next, apple cider vinegar. Now, pour in olive oil. Add white vinegar. Next comes honey. Honey balances the acidity and rounds out the flavors without making the dressing too sweet. Add yellow mustard. Mustard adds flavor and helps keep the oil and vinegar blended together. Now add dried rosemary, dry oregano, and dry thyme. Next, season with salt and black pepper. Oregano provides that classic Greek flavor most people recognize. Rosemary adds an earthy aroma, and thyme brings a subtle savory note that makes the dressing more balanced and flavorful. Blend everything together on short pulses. This combines the ingredient while keeping some texture from the herbs, giving the dressing a fresher, homemade taste. Quick question, will you use the dressing on salad as a marinade on the roasted vegetables? Transfer the dressing to a container and refrigerate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This allows the herbs to infuse and allow all flavors to marry together. Once chilled, it's ready to use. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Olive oil is the foundation of the dressing, giving a rich flavor and smooth texture, whilst white vinegar boosts the acidity and gives the dressing a clean, sharp finish. This dressing works beautiful on salads, vegetables, marinades, and cream bowl. If you love this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my page for more amazing recipes. Till we meet in the next one, peace out.